Welcome back guys. In today's video we're gonna see handwriting tips. Point 1. You must have proper spacing between each letter. Your handwriting depends on the pen and the comfort in writing with it. Here are the type of pens schools and colleges recommend best. Your handwriting must be understandable and neat. Don't expect it to be perfect, as it is enough if it's said as good. Find your style. Yes, there are different styles in handwriting. Here are some. For example, this is my handwriting style. Check it out. Avoid spelling mistakes. Spelling is very important. Have you ever noticed why your classwork note looks good when submitting, but when you receive your note, you see so much red ink on your page? This is for a few people, but anyways, if you don't know the spelling correctly, don't be afraid and ask your teacher bravely or make use of a dictionary. This could affect your internal marks if not changed. I have given a link in the description. If you face this problem, please check it out. Write straight. If not, it could ruin the presentation. Here I have given you a hack. Place a ruled sheet under unruled sheet to get straight lines. You can see the lines of the ruled paper if seen close. Don't fill the word with ink. This ruins the presentation. You can use a correction tape, a whitener, or if none of these are allowed, you can just use a normal pencil. Tip 8. Never overwrite. This ruins your presentation. Tip 9. You must focus on your writing. Get in a good position and get the mood to write. Here I have given the correct sitting posture. Thanks for watching this video.